we just arrived at Perth and there's a beautiful city museum we're gonna go to visit. Visiting museums make me feel like I'm no longer just flying above the city, just traveling for superficial reasons, for sightseeing. I can actually get into the heart of the museum and actually explore its history. Now we finished visiting Perth. We're gonna go to a salmon farm where they catch fishes and you can actually go to taste the delicious salmon. I don't know whether we're gonna go taste it. It must be very expensive, but let's go see first. Here is the little love letters or something that people wants to say. These we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. Yeah, it's... Hey, sun updates. I'm standing right in front of this beautiful Scottish lake. I don't even know how to pronounce its name, but it's just so fabulous to be here. It's a holiday resort, so if you like to go skiing during winter time, you have to come here. Loads of people will come here to get together, celebrate skiing time during winter time. But now it's summertime. You can see a lot of people actually camping here. They bring a lot of food to eat, things to do, and also bring their swimming suits so they can actually go into the river to have a good swim.
There's a ferry across here.
This is the lighthouse. But we're not come here to see other people play golf. We're come here for the dolphins. Dolphin watching spots, but there's no dolphin right here yet. Look at the beautiful sky. Can you believe this? This is the place where all those dolphins gonna get together and come jump out of the surface of the lake, and I'm waiting for them to come. But before that, I want to talk about something that is completely bizarre, because for the past few days, we've been traveling around the most beautiful sightseeing places around Scotland, and I should feel so satisfied. I should feel so happy, but somehow I got this bizarre feeling that I'm seeking for this something bizarre happen around me. I'm seeking for something uglier to happen in order to make me feel balanced. Does that make any sense? I feel like I'm sinking into this beauty overwhelm syndrome where I couldn't bear myself to see any more beautiful things. I need to see something normal. But this is normal. This is their normal life. They have this beautiful lake. They come here to see dolphins jumping out of the surface of the lake, and they enjoying having this beautiful scenery all surrounded them. And I just feel like, can I have a normal life? Can I have a normal lifestyle where everybody is working hard, struggle, and trying to make ends meet? That sort of feeling makes me feel so sad, because I actually think that's a normal life. But here is the normal life, right? We should have this sort of life as our normal standard of living, not just like, oh, everybody is struggling and everybody is trying to work hard or find some job in order to support their family. That's not normal. That's surviving. I actually treat surviving mode as the normal living mode, as normal enjoying life mode. So I think probably beauty overwhelmed syndrome is real. And be honest with you, this lake is super clean. Not like this is the seaside. The seaside is super clean and the beach is just full of big stones, no litter at all. Hi, hello everyone, good morning. So today we decided to go to another place to continue our traveling, and here we are. We arrived at this little town called Fanhor, and here I stand at Fanhor Bay Local Nature Resort. So you can see a lot of wild animals, for example, seals and birds and seagulls and loads of other things. And I just feel so interesting to stand here. Let me check. Let me show you the bay. It is so beautiful here. The water just smoothly eased out, left loads of wet sand. So you can actually stay here, play with the stones and walking on the beach. You can do almost everything you want. And then you turn around and you look up at the sky and you can really feel the sky is right there. The blue is not just normal blue, navy blue or very saturated blue. Is very gentle gray blue. You might feel like, wow, this blue is nowhere to be found, but only here. It's so gentle, it's so bright, but not as bright as the bright sunshine that could actually dazzling in your face. That actually dazzling on your face. It's just so gentle, so smooth and caring. It feels like the whole nature is trying its best to love you and care about you and talk to you, whispering to you about something really mystery, whispering about something that really mysterious. It wants you to listen to it. The more accurate feeling or description is that I don't have enough words to describe the beauty of this place. I need to go back to the library to read as much as books as I can in order to enhance my ability to describe everything surround me right here. It's just so overwhelmingly beautiful. I don't know what to say about this place. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to use my words anymore. I don't have the proper words. I don't have the proper structures of sentence. I just suddenly feel that I have nothing left in me that will actually enable me to embrace the beauty of this place. It's just so much and so giving. So what I'm thinking right now is that instead of using my words to describe this place in order to give you a false impression or anything similar, we should just walk. We should just turn on our silent mode and walk. Let's walk, shall we? Wow, look at this. for me. Oh. Lots of stones. Okay, now let's continue our walking, right? Yeah. Wow, the water is so clean.
哇，太好看了，有水有石头。
Yeah. Okay.
走吧。
Okay, now I think we have enough of walking, so we need to go back home, drive somewhere else, and continue our traveling. See you later in the car.
Okay.
Whoa, look how big they are! Wow!
They're having Adam having fun out there in the splashing in the water.
Yeah. In our drive, we finally arrived to a new town. We finally arrived at Newtown. When the place you're visiting is this beautiful, you just feel like you are no longer belongs to yourself. You are someone else who needs to really trying hard to create this beautiful world for yourself and really have a creative eyes for beauty. There's a movie filmed here called Local Hero in 1983, and this is the famous scene. And here is the famous telephone box that the protagonist used to call America. After almost 40 years, it's still here. The real one, the same one. I feel so curious about the movie already, so I will check it out tonight whether I can find it online. And if I could, we will watch it together, okay?